A world where nature is loved, cared and revered. Diversity of it unites the humanity. That world is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. A delight for all nature lovers, Ekta Nursery pursues eco-friendly practices. Learn to grow plants and develop products of nature, from the art of bonsai to the craft of bamboo, areca leaf party plates to organic pot. A world where wealth is created of waste. Worryless living is encouraged. That world is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. Interact with the women in local villages. Get amazed to see their talent and spirit of work. Explore the tradition and culture of tribal communities. Have a sip of organic tribal teas with a range of flavors like Shank Pushpi, Ardusi, Gado and Pudina. Walk through the apiary of honeybees. See the rarest species of chicken known as Kadaknath. Witness how tribal houses look like. Gift the plant of unity to your dear ones, as Ekta Nursery is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.